Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today we're talking about a product and I'll be doing a product review. So, the product I'm talking about is the Wet n Wild Color Icon Not a Basic Peach palette. So, that is what it looks like, and if you open it up, not that you can't see what's inside, I mean the lid is clear, just in case. The inside looks like that. Alright, so let's talk about the obvious first. This is a drugstore product, so we all know that it's a more affordable product. Of course, you know, affordability ranges. It varies for some people, but this is a more affordable product than other products. What else? It is a cruelty-free product, and you can tell that by the little bunny on the lower, what is this? Your lower right or left? All right, that little corner right there. It says cruelty-free. On the back, it tells you, it gives you like a small diagram of a daytime look and a nighttime look, which I think is really nice of them to do, just in case you need like an idea of what to do. That little daytime, nighttime look right there. And if you also notice, right below it, the shadows themselves, they don't really have a name for it, and that doesn't really bother me, to be honest, but they have numbers on them, so their shadow names are just numbers, and there are 10 shadows in total, and it gives you your ingredients, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so like I said, 10 shadows in total, and if you saw it earlier, if I can open it up again. Alright, when I open it up, they have two transition colors on the top and on the bottom, and then they have 8 colors in between them. Alright, so those in between colors, there are 4 shimmer colors and 5 shimmer colors and 3 matte colors. And I feel like because the transition colors, you have more of those to play with. I think that's a good ideal, simply because, you know, everyone uses, or at least for me it's a good ideal, because I use a lot of transition colors anyway. So I like that they had like more transition colors to play with. Let's dive into swatches, and let me show you what they look like swatched on my arm, and we'll move on to that. Alright, so before I show you the swatches, I just want to go ahead and let you know that I feel like everyone knows this by now, but just in case you don't know, swatches with your finger or with a brush that's dry or a wet brush, they all come out differently, obviously, okay? So these are finger swatches. Some people don't appreciate or don't like finger swatches, which is completely fine, but it's one way of showing you what the colors and, you know, what they look like not in the pan. You get what I'm saying? So, you know, take this with like a grain of salt. It's just a finger swatch, you know. Some people aren't for it, some people are, you know. It is what it is. Alright, so let's dive in. And I swatched the first 5 colors, and just to make it easier for you guys, I actually swatched the first 5 colors in order of the numbers right here. So I swatched the shadow number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get what I'm saying? So let's show you those 5. Alright, so I went ahead and even numbered the shadows for you guys to make it that much more easier. And so here are the swatches. They're not the most pigmented, you know, eyeshadows out there, but there are some pigment in it. You know, it can be more pigmented in my opinion, but it's not like you can't see what the colors are. So, and some of the shadows are more buildable than others. So that is the first 5 swatches. Alright, so I went ahead and swatched the last 5 eyeshadow. And these are the colors of the shadow, what they look like. Again, I number them just for your convenience. And I feel like the last 5 shadows are much more pigmented than the first 5. So here's the last 5. And then, boom, flip my hand over. Those are the first 5 colors. But yeah, I feel like the last 5 just looks much more pigmented in my opinion. Again, these are finger swatches, just in case you missed what I said earlier. So yeah, I think they are, some are pigmented more than others, some aren't, you know, it is what it is. Alright, so what else should I tell you? Oh, this palette, are there fallouts? Are there kickbacks? Yes, there are. You know, for me, personally, fallout, kickbacks, whatever you want to call it, pickups, what's the other terms? You tell me. they don't really bother me all that much, to be honest. I mean, it is just what it is. And let me just show you what I do. I'm just going to pick up a random brush. So, picking up just a random brush. And we're going to show you what I mean by fallout or kickback, just in case you don't know what that means. So, here's the palette. And let's say you're doing your makeup and you're picking up the color, like right here, alright? Pick up a random color. So, close up. Let's just do right here. It's much easier. So, we're picking this color up, alright? And you can see all those fallouts just coming off the shadow, right? So, yes, there are fallouts, kickbacks, whatever you want to call it. It doesn't bother me. Maybe it bothers you. But just to let you know, FYI, yes, there are fallouts, alright? What else should I tell you? I mean, honestly, I don't really have anything that negative to say about this. If I was to give it a rating, I'd probably give it like, I'll give it like 4 out of 5 stars. Only because, you know, these are things that bother me. You know, some people might have different reasons why they might give it 5 stars, 2 stars, 3 stars, whatever. But for me, it's 4 out of 5. Simply because some of the pigment on the shadows aren't as pigmented as I would like them to be. And remember, these are finger swatches, so brush swatches are different from finger swatches. But other than that, this palette I think is pretty much amazing. It has your nice, you know, neutral, everyday colors, if you will. You know, it also has a little pop of colors, of blue. It has like your rose gold color. It has your nice gold color. I mean, number 6 right there, that gold color, I think that's stunningly beautiful in my opinion. Alright. I just think overall this palette is wonderful. I feel like this will become my makeup on the go palette. I'm just gonna like chuck it in my little makeup bag. Which, by the way, I'm gonna do a video on me redoing my makeup bag on the go. And this will definitely be in there. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and quickly show you how I got this makeup look. So if you want to stick around for that, go ahead. And, you know, I'll quickly show you what I use, what swatches, all that good stuff. So let's roll on the clip. Everyone, that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you like this video, go ahead and tell me by obviously liking the video and giving it a big thumbs up. If you want me to do more videos like this, tell me down below what other product I should review. I would love to do that for you guys. And if you haven't already, click on that notification bell. Select you want to be notified for all my videos. That would just be awesome, because why else would you subscribe to me if you don't want to watch my videos? That just doesn't make sense. You know what I'm saying? So click on that bell and become part of the Kwak fam if you haven't already by clicking my face right over there, by subscribing to my channel, and then of course don't forget to watch my previous video below there. Alright? I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Bye!